If you want to change wallpaper on Redmi 15, all you have to do is go to settings. In settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we want to open personalization. Now over here we can scroll down in order to find online wallpapers and some wallpapers that you can find immediately on your smartphone. So we have even a new section or system wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna go to new section. I'm gonna also tap on more over here in order to find more of them. And let's try to find something interesting. So let's say as an example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this wallpaper. And as you can see, we have the preview of the lock screen, but we can tap on the screen in order to switch to the home screen, from lock screen to home screen like this. And as you can see, we can also adjust the position of the wallpaper. We can also zoom in and zoom out. And once you set up your wallpaper, you can simply press apply in the top right corner. And before you actually do that, remember that you may also have additional settings at the bottom over here. So in this case, we have blur and wallpaper scroll effect. So let's apply. And you have a choice where you want to apply the wallpaper. You can set it for lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna choose for both. Over here, I'm gonna disable wallpaper carousel. And that's pretty much it. So let's go back now. And there we go, we have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.